Good morning, student. I am Khushbu, taking your computer subject. Today we will start the computer subject with this online routine. Our first chapter is on internet and email. Okay, so let us see how the computer work with internet and email. First of all, what is the internet? So internet is a interconnection of different network. So the word internet is combined of two words, interconnection and network. So internet is the first is the one of the best word, internet, which is the combination of two words. What are they? Interconnection and network. The internet is a network of thousands of computers across the world. Now internet is the connection which is the connection of thousands of words. Now the internet is a network of computer networks. Okay, the next is that internet is not owned by anyone. No one is owned internet, but that various organizations that manage different part of the network. Now there are so many network service providers that are providing us internet. Clear? Now uses of internet. First is a email. Now what is email? It's an electronic mail which is used to send mail through the internet. Okay, using emails you can exchange the text messages, pictures, sound, etc. Okay, you can send the text messages with the use of email. Even though you want to send videos to the student, you can also send this video with the help of internet. Even though you can exchange the data with the help of internet. I am again explaining what is internet. Internet क्या है? So internet is a interconnection of two words which are the internet and interconnection and network. Okay, the internet is connect the thousands of computer in a network for a world वाइड. इंटरनेट क्या करता है? thousands of कंप्यूटर को जोड़ता है एक दूसरे के साथ with help of इंटरनेट. ओके, इसके साथ साथ यहाँ पे उसके यूजेस दिए हुए हैं. फर्स्ट इज अ ईमेल. व्हाट इज ईमेल? इट्स अ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मेल. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मेल है जिसकी वजह से हम एक दूसरे के साथ बातें कर सकते हैं. हमारा मैसेज या डॉक्यूमेंट एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे भेजना हो तो विद इन 1 सेकेंड हम ये काम कर सकते हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि हम सिर्फ मैसेज पास कर सकते हैं. आप अपने इंटरनेट की मदद से वीडियोस, इवन तो इमेजेस भी आप ईमेल के थ्रू पास कर सकते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज अ न्यूज़ ग्रुप. Now what is news group? So news group are used to exchange videos, ideas, as well as it is used for exchanging views, news, even though other information. An internet user can directly participate in discussion on different topics. Now what is news group? So it's work as a same like news, in which you can share your ideas, share your informations. Okay, and internet user can directly participate in dimensions on the different topics. You can give your views about the different topics. What is news group? News group क्या है? So it's a interconnection of news in which you can share your ideas, you can share your views on different topics. Now next is the online chatting and conference. Now this is the best which are using we nowadays for our time pass. Even though you can with the help of chatting you can share your idea with your friends. Even though there are online conferences are also there, nowadays online teaching is the best part of the teaching. Now online chatting means You can share your views and ideas with your friends about a particular topic. You can make different type of chatting. Now next is a conference. People are taking online conference for they don't have to go to the particular place to attend that conference. Okay, ऑनलाइन चैटिंग एंड कॉन्फ्रेंस क्या है, जिसमें आप ऑनलाइन चैटिंग मीन्स आप अपनी बातें कर सकते हो ऑनलाइन, मीन्स मैसेज के थ्रू आप अपनी बात दूसरी व्यक्ति को बता सकते हो। देन कॉन्फ्रेंस है आपकी जो ऑनलाइन मीटिंग होती है, जिसमें आप वर्ल्ड में कहीं पे भी हो आप अपनी बात अपने कंपनी के आगे रख सकते हो विद द हेल्प ऑफ ऑनलाइन कॉन्फ्रेंस। यहाँ पे अदर यूजर्स भी दिए हैं, जिसमें है बाइंग एंड सेलिंग प्रोडक्ट। नाउअडेज ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग बहुत चल रहा है। ओके, यू कैन बाय, एक्सचेंज, इवन दो सेल एनीथिंग ऑन इंटरनेट। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज अ मैनेजिंग बैंक अकाउंट्स। डिफरेंट बैंक के अकाउंट्स होते हैं, उसको मैनेज करने के लिए कंप्यूटर काम करता है। इवन तो इंटरनेट के थ्रू आप वर्ल्ड में कहीं भी हो आप अपने डेटा अपने अकाउंट को मैनेज कर सकते हो। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज स्टडिंग अ सब्जेक्ट ऑफ वंस चॉइस, ऑब्टेन अ डिग्री। ओके, आप अपनी ऑनलाइन टीचिंग लेके भी डिग्री पा सकते हो। Reading newspaper, magazine, etc. You can read newspaper, okay, even though you can read magazines on online. Okay, there are so many online magazines are available, so you don't have to purchase that magazine or newspaper. You can read it online. Now next is a watching movie, playing games and listening to music. We can watch movies, we can watch game, we can play game, even though we can listen music. Now next is ordering books. You can buy books online. Okay, you can also read books online. And sending greeting cards. Okay, you can send greeting cards on your on birthdays, anniversary with the help of internet. Now next is internet terminology. Now what is internet terminology? So first is a network. What is network? Network is a interconnection of different networks. Okay, network is net means it's a one type of जाली. Okay, जाली जिसके अंदर हम सब वर्क करते हैं. We all know that in the network, when we are in the net, we can work with whole the world. Okay, so there are two types of network. Mainly there are three type of network: LAN, MAN and WAN. But here they have explaining you LAN and WAN only. What is LAN? Local area network. Mind well student, in the full form it may be ask you what is the full form of LAN and WAN. So that time you should have to remember what is the full form of LAN and WAN. So local area network, which is used to connect the buildings. ऐसी कई सारी कंपनियां हैं जो पूरी बिल्डिंग में एक दूसरे के साथ एम्प्लॉय काम कर सके, एक दूसरे एम्प्लॉय के साथ कम्युनिकेट कर सके, उसकी वजह से उन्होंने एक नेटवर्क डेवलप किया हुआ होता है जिसको बोलते हैं लैन. ओके, इट इज यूज्ड टू कनेक्ट द बिल्डिंग स्कूल ऑफ बिल्डिंग या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बिल्डिंग. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज अ वैन, वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क, जिसको पूरी दुनिया के साथ कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, बाय द टेलीफोन लाइंस. ओके, कई सारी ऐसी कंपनियां होती है जिसकी एक ब्रांच यहाँ पे होती है, एक ब्रांच फॉरेन में होती है. सो दैट टाइम दे आर यूज्ड WAN WAN टू कनेक्ट द employees. Now next is a world wide web. We all know that www, it's a collections of websites. Okay, www is necessary for the connection of website. And next is a search engine. What is search engine? Search engine is nothing but when you are working with Google, so Google is a search engine by which you can search any keywords, any websites, Okay, so that is search engine. Different search engines are available nowadays, that Google, okay, Yahoo. So this all are the search engine. Now next is getting connected to internet. We take all the information about internet, but how we can connect with internet? So first is a computer running Windows. What we need for the internet connection? So first of all, running Windows means you should have a computer or a mobile. With the help of you can connect with the computer and internet. Okay, if your computer is not working, you cannot connect with internet. So it is necessary first of all running internet, running computer. And next is an ISP account. You should have internet service provider account. What it means? Okay, when you are working with a computer, but without internet, computer cannot work whatever you want. Means you want email, you want to do playing online games, and that time only computer is not enough. So you need an ISP account. What is ISP? Internet service provider. Okay, who are they? They are providing us the internet, whether they are GTPL, okay, yeah, GTPL, Reliance, okay, Geo Fiber. So this all are the internet service provider that help us to connect with the internet. Now three ways to getting internet. You can get internet with the help of three ways. First is a modem. Now what is the full form of modem? Modular demodular. So what is this? You can connect internet with the help of modem. So modem, what is modem? It's an electronic device which is connected with your telephone line, and another way is connected to your computer. Now अगेन आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग व्हाट इज मॉडेम. सो फुल फॉर्म है मॉडेम का मॉड्यूलर डीमॉड्यूलर, जो कि एक डिवाइस है जो आपको इंटरनेट के साथ कनेक्ट करता है. ओके, नाउ इंटरनेट के साथ ये कनेक्ट कैसे करता है? विद द हेल्प ऑफ टेलीफोन लाइन, जिसका एक कनेक्शन आपके कंप्यूटर में जोड़ा होता है, जिसको डायल अप कनेक्शन भी बोलते हैं. नाउ उसका बिगेस्ट एडवांटेज डिसएडवांटेज क्या है? कि वो बहुत स्लो है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज अ ब्रॉडबैंड कनेक्शन, जो कि बहुत ही पॉपुलर है, जो भी टेलीफोन लाइन से ही दिया जाता है. एंड इट इज कन्वर्टेड टू द ब्रॉडबैंड सो दैट you can use the telephone line and get your calls. Now biggest disadvantage of modem क्या था? कि या तो फिर आप इंटरनेट यूज़ कर सकते हो, या तो फिर आप टेलीफोन लाइन यूज़ कर सकते हो. बट जब से ये ब्रॉडबैंड आया तो उसमें क्या होता है, आप इंटरनेट भी यूज़ कर सकते हो और अपना टेलीफोन लाइन भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज़ अ मोबाइल इंटरनेट, जो अभी हम अपने मोबाइल में करवाते हैं. डिफरेंट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर है, जियो है, फिर वोडाफोन है. ओके, सो ये सारे हमें क्या प्रोवाइड करते हैं? मोबाइल इंटरनेट, जिसकी वजह से हमारे मोबाइल नेटवर्क में रहते हैं. हाँ, उसके बदले वो हमसे चार्ज लेते हैं, जिससे हम अपना इंटरनेट यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट मोबाइल इंटरनेट in which you do not want any landline connection, okay, या तो फिर any modem. You don't need any type of this connection for the mobile internet. You just have to make a recharge of your mobile network and you will go through that. okay, मोबाइल सिग्नल के द्वारा आपके मोबाइल में इंटरनेट पकड़ा जाता है. ओके, हाँ, ये बहुत महंगा पड़ता है, but without this nowadays we cannot work with anything. Now next are the keywords. Now what are the keywords they have given us? First is a now first they have given us World Wide Web. What is this? It's a World Wide Web collection of websites. Okay, next is a web server. What is web server? A program for getting connected to www and viewing any information on it. Okay, now web servers are the what are the web servers? So if you are working with Internet Explorer, Mozilla, Firefox and Chrome, then that all are the web servers. Okay, web which provide you the web that all are the web browser with which you are working with the web server. Okay, so a program or a computer that stores all the websites. Okay, so all the websites are stored by the web server. So first of all we are using web browser, then we work with web server. Now next is a website. What is website? A collection of web pages which are developed by the HTML language. Okay, different HTML language is used to develop a web page, and this collection of web page make a website. Now home page. What is home page? When you are opening any website, the first page it is called home page. Now next is a hyperlink. What is hyperlink? When you are connected with one website to another website with the help of link, that is called hyperlink. Okay, it is the address of the another website. Now next is a URL. What is URL full form? Universal Resource Locator. It is the एड्रेस ऑफ द वेबसाइट ऑन द इंटरनेट. हर एक का वेबसाइट का अलग अलग एड्रेस होता है. सो URL इज दैट यूनिवर्सल रिसोर्स लोकेटर. ओके, जिसमें क्या क्या होता है? सो सबसे पहले प्रोटोकॉल होता है, वेब होता है, होस्ट एंड टाइप होता है. जैसे कि आपकी बुक में दिया गया है कि http www.navneet.com. so in that http is a protocol, www is a web, Navneet is a host and .com is a type. Okay, host and type together are called domain. Now you all have a question, what is protocol? So most website begins with http. We all know that when you are working with any website, first of all http will come. So the protocol sends the web page from a web server to your computer. Okay, with the help of web server, it will send the website to the computer. The letter http are followed by the colon and 2 forward slash. Okay, we all know that with http having colon and forward slash. Now next is a web. What is web? So it is a collection of www, you can say. Now the host. The host, what is the host? So it's a name of website. When you are working with the http www.navneet.com, so Navneet is the host by which the name of the website is given, and com is a type. Okay, what is type? That we will discuss in a next period. Now next is a HTML. What is HTML? So it's a hypertext markup language, a language which is done with, in which you can make web pages with the help of tags. Okay, HTML लैंग्वेज जिसका यूज हम वेब पेज बनाने के लिए करते हैं, जिसमें डिफरेंट टैग्स का यूज करके हम वेब पेज बना सकते हैं और पूरे वेब पेज को एक साथ कनेक्ट करके हम वेबसाइट बना सकते हैं. Okay, so this is all about HTML. Now student, you should clear about this all the keywords. One of the keyword is remain in this, that is web browser, that I have already explained you. Okay, now student, go through the videos for a 2-3 times so you can easily understand what I want to say about internet and email. Rest we will continue in the next period. Thank you.